School Year 2023-2024. Ito po ang ulat ng bayan ng Marcelo H. del Pilar National High School.
Marcelo H. del Pilar National High School, with its rich history, remains as one of the leading schools in the city of Malolos. From its humble beginnings to its current stature, the school has been a beacon of educational excellence, shaping the minds and futures of generations of students. As we delve into the present state and future aspirations of our esteemed school, let us reflect on the legacy that continues to inspire us all and continue being the home of the champions. MHPNHS consistently strives to give its students the best in order to provide them with a high-quality education.
This wouldn't be possible without the people who are behind those pivotal contributions.
Scarlett Santina de la Cruz, may karangalan. Frances Bernice P. Eusebio, may karangalan. Marvier Amber D. Lopez, may karangalan. Charlize Yowin G. Mendoza, may karangalan. Raisa Nicole G. Miano, may karangalan. Mariel C. Alan, Yelena Cassandra A. Santos, may karangalan. Isabel Denise A. Sige, may karangalan. At Chanel Daphne S. Velasco, may karangalan. Ang susunod pong pangkat ay pakikilala ng kanilang gurong tagapayo na si Ginoong Edgardo A. Chavez.
Jericho L. Capalos, Erwin Jones S. Santiago, Simon Brian L. Santiago, Joe Mark R. Santiago, may karangalan. May karangalan. Cindy P. Dalmarcio, may karangalan. Ina Mizel Palma, may karangalan. Ejeline P. Pilahio, may karangalan.
Raymer Allen Galang, Kenneth John Peter R. Soria. Mga babae, Rina R. Bayan.
Para matapos kung mapagtibay ang inyong mga pangarap. Dagdag pa rito ang mga kailangan.
Babalik-balikan ang sintang paaralan upang ihandog ang mga natamo sa buhay at magpasalamat sa lahat ng aral na natamo at natutuhan na nagsilbing sulong dalintanglaw sa pagbukal ng karunungan. Sa inyong pagtatapos, taglay ninyo ang makahulugang pahayag na bansang makabata, batang makabansa. Muli, isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong buwan ng palatuntunan bilang ang tunay na bansa.